Is your favorite rifle jammed and sputtering its last rounds in the heart of the zone? Let's find out if you can keep your trusty firearm alive in Stalker 2. Alright Stalkers, the question on everyone's mind: can you repair weapons in Stalker 2? Unfortunately, the answer, as of the latest gameplay and information available, is a bit complicated. Straight-up repair mechanics, as we saw in some previous Stalker titles, haven't been explicitly shown or confirmed in Stalker 2. However, that doesn't mean your guns are doomed to the scrap heap. Keep a close eye on the condition of your weapons. Maintaining the integrity of your gear is vital to survive. While direct repair might be off the table, trading for newer weapons or high-condition ones is likely the go-to method for keeping your arsenal fresh. Keep an eye out for merchants offering deals on firearms, or even scavenge for usable weapons in your travels. Salvaging parts and weapons from fallen enemies and hidden stashes will probably be a key method of acquiring new weapons. Keep your eyes peeled for valuable loot. The key is to have multiple weapons to switch between. By rotating through different firearms, you can better manage their condition and ensure you're never caught with a completely useless weapon. So, while the ability to repair weapons in Stalker 2 remains unconfirmed, stay vigilant, scavenge wisely, and keep those weapons in the best condition possible. Remember to subscribe for more Stalker 2 tips and guides. See you in the zone.